Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Yeah, hi. I have a question. I saw one of your posts on Facebook. I have my car alternator needs to be replaced. Can you do something
Okay, what
like
kind of
that?
car is it?
2012 GMC Acadia.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, we can do something like that. Is it something you were trying to get done today?
Well, it depends on your pricing. If I have to part it out myself for cheaper or whatever, I mean, what would you do for something like that? I don't have the part.
Yeah, well, I would suggest you get the part because the part is going to have a warranty on it, and you would want the warranty in your name instead of my name. And then that way, if something ever happens to me and you had somebody else change it, it would be warranted. And then as far as the labor, I would have to look it up. And what year Arcadia is it?
It's a 2012.
2012 Arcadia, and do you know what size motor's in it?
A V6.
V6? Okay.
Yeah.
Give me a few minutes. I'll call you right back as soon as I can get you an estimate on labor. Okay, and what part of town are you located in? All right, no problem. All right, sweetheart, give us a few minutes. We'll call you right back, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.